In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a voice in Magnific AI Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to upload, and which settings matter so you can create a clean, usable voice clone on your phone. Start by opening the Magnific AI app. From the main screen, look along the bottom navigation bar and tap AI Suite. This brings all the creation tools into one place. Now switch to the Voice tab, then choose Clone Voice. You're in the right spot when you see the option to upload an audio sample. Tap Upload. You can select an audio file directly or pick one from your gallery. Choose a clear clip with a single speaker, no music, and minimal background noise. Aim for natural speech at a steady pace. 30 seconds to a minute usually gives the system enough material to learn the tone and pronunciation. Make sure you have permission to use the voice you're uploading and avoid including any private information in the recording. Once your file is attached, head into the settings and give your cloned voice a name. Pick something descriptive so you'll recognize it later, especially if you plan to create multiple voices. Next, you can optionally select a gender, language, accent, and an image. These choices help organize and present your voice inside the app and can guide how it's labeled or surfaced in tools, but they don't replace the sound of your original sample. If you're unsure, it's fine to leave the defaults and come back to adjust later. When everything looks good, tap Create. The app will process the audio and build your clone. Processing time can vary depending on the length and quality of the file. When it's done, your new voice will appear under the Voice tab, ready to use across the AI suite. That's the full workflow. Open Magnific AI. Go to AI Suite. Select Voice. Choose Clone Voice. Upload your sample. Name it. Set any optional details and create. Follow these steps and you'll have a polished, reliable voice clone right on mobile.